Explaining HIV and AIDS. Written by Adam Fellman on November 29, 2018. What is HIV? What is AIDS? Causes. Symptoms. Opportunistic infections. HIV and HIV is a virus that targets and alters the immune system, increasing the risk and impact of other infections and diseases. Without treatment, the infection might progress to an advanced disease stage called AIDS. However, modern advances in treatment mean that people living with HIV in countries with good access to healthcare very rarely develop AIDS once they are receiving treatment. The life expectancy of a person who carries the HIV virus is now approaching that of a person that tests negative for the virus, as long as they adhere to a combination of medications called antiretroviral therapy, ART, on an ongoing basis. A Kaiser Permanente study in 2016 suggested that between 1996 and 2016, the gap in life expectancy between people who are HIV positive and HIV negative closed from 44 years to 12 years. The World Health Organization, WHO, also advises that a person living with HIV can resume a high quality of life with treatment, and that 20.9 million people worldwide were receiving ART as of mid-2017. In this article, we explain HIV and AIDS, their symptoms, causes, and treatments. What is HIV? While HIV is a life-changing illness, a person can live a long and full life with it. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, is a virus that attacks immune cells called CD4 cells, which are a type of T cell. These are white blood cells that move around the body, detecting faults and anomalies in cells as well as infections. When HIV targets and infiltrates these cells, it reduces the body's ability to combat other diseases. This increases the risk and impact of opportunistic infections and cancers. However, a person can carry HIV without experiencing symptoms for a long time. HIV is a lifelong infection. However, receiving treatment and managing the disease effectively can prevent HIV from reaching a severe level and reduce the risk of a person passing on the virus. How to use this HIV test kit step by step. Tear open the alcohol prep. Clean your finger. Push in and twist the knob of the lancet. Pull out the knob. Place the lancet at the finger and press the trigger to prick the finger. Collect about 1 to 2 drops of blood sample using micropipette. Place about 1 drop of blood sample into the sample well using the micropipette. Open the cap of the diluent bottle. Place about 2-4 drops of diluent liquid into the sample well slowly. Read results within 10 minutes. Test results. Negative HIV result. No HIV antibodies detected. Pink line next to C. Positive HIV result. HIV antibodies detected. Pink line next to C and T. No results. The device may be faulty. Please test again using a new kit. When performing the HIV test, the steps involved must be followed closely. If there has been a possible exposure to infected blood, and the person tested negative for HIV, the test must be repeated.